Welcome to the Digital Walkdown tutorial. This short tutorial highlights how Abyss Fabric streamlines the inspection process, enabling you to perform comprehensive digital walkdowns remotely. As you can see, a 3D view of the platform is already open on the viewer screen. You can navigate around the platform using your mouse and by holding the Ctrl+Click button. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice the Query tab. Here, you can search for assets. Use the Equipment tag option to directly search for an asset or filter by service group and size to locate the desired asset. After applying the query, a list of assets will appear on the right-hand panel. From there, select the asset. In this case, we've chosen a 6-inch diameter drain line that spans the entire deck. Once the asset appears in the viewer, use the visibility settings on the left-hand tab to visualize the corrosion and coating conditions in the 3D point cloud. Now, use the Find Viewpoint feature to see relevant images. Click on the spherical thumbnails within the right panel to switch between spherical views. Once in the spherical view, you can inspect the asset closely, focusing on areas of heavy corrosion. The corrosion and coating filters will provide better visualization. Once you've identified a specific area of interest, click on the menu button to open the panel to add a point of interest. Zoom into the selected point and turn on the point cloud. Click on the Corrosion Under Pipe Support (POI) and select the exact location where you want to place the notification. Fill in the required fields and, if needed, add details such as scaffolding requirements or other observations. When you're finished, click Add POI and then close the image view to return to the 3D point cloud. Review the added POI to complete the process. This concludes the digital walkdown.